When Amazon Web Services launched in 2006, it revolutionized how we build and deploy applications. But with great power comes great responsibility, especially when it comes to protecting sensitive information. So, how do we ensure our digital secrets stay secrets in the cloud? Let's start with the most basic approach, environment variables. It's like writing your password on a sticky note and sticking it to your monitor. Sure, it works for simple application, but it's not exactly secure. If you're managing multiple environments or applications, it quickly becomes a tangled web of env files and potential security nightmares. Here is a real-world scenario. Imagine accidentally pushing your .env file to GitHub. Suddenly, your database credentials, API keys, and other sensitive information are out there for anyone to see. It's like leaving your house keys under the doormat and then telling the whole neighborhood about it. Bots can scrape these credentials within minutes, potentially leading to data breaches, unauthorized access, or even financial losses. Not a great situation, right? Now, some of you might be thinking, can't we just store our secrets in S3 if it's encrypted? Well, you are not entirely wrong. Storing encrypted secrets in S3 is certainly a step up from environment variables. You can set up server-side encryption, use access policies, and even enable versioning. But here's the catch. S3 buckets can be accidentally made public. One wrong click in the AWS console, and boom, your secure bucket is now open to the world. It's like accidentally leaving your diary on a park bench. If that S3 bucket goes public, your encrypted secrets could be downloaded by anyone, potentially compromising your entire system. This is where AWS steps in with its dedicated secret management tools. First up is Systems Manager Parameter Store. Think of it as secure vault for your configuration data in secret. It's like upgrading from sticky note to a high-tech safe that only opens up with your fingerprints. Parameter Store lets you store data as plain text or encrypted values. But this is where it gets interesting. You can integrate Parameter Store directly with your application or EC2 instances. Instead of hard-coding secrets in your code, you can simply call them from Parameter Store at runtime. It's like having a secure, centralized configuration database for all your applications. Parameter Store also offers versioning, allowing you to track changes over time. And the best part? It's incredibly cost-effective. You can store up to 10,000 parameters for free, making it a great option for small to medium-sized applications. But what if you need more advanced features? That's where AWS Secrets Manager comes in. Secrets Manager is like a digital butler, quietly managing everything in the background, so you don't have to. Secrets Manager takes things up a notch with automatic secret rotation. Imagine never having to manually update your database passwords again. It's like having a personal assistant who changes your logs every week without you even noticing. But that's not all. Secrets Manager offers cross-region secret replication, ensuring your secrets are available even if a region goes down. It also provides fine-grained access control and integrates seamlessly with other AWS services. Need to securely access your RDS database? Secrets Manager has got you covered. Want to use secrets in your Lambda functions? No problem. It's like having a master key in a hotel, opening every door in your AWS suite. Imagine you are running a Lambda function that connects to an RDS database. Instead of hard-coding the database username and password in your code, which is kind of risky, you store these credentials securely in AWS Secrets Manager. When the Lambda function runs, it simply retrieves the credentials from Secrets Manager at runtime. The best part? You don't have to worry about manually rotating those secrets. Secrets Manager can automatically update them and ensure your Lambda function always has the most up-to-date credentials. Now, Secrets Manager is more expensive than Parameter Store, with a cost of about 40 cents per secret per month, but for many organizations, the advanced features justify the cost. For those with the highest security needs, there is AWS CloudHSM. This is the Fort Knox of secrets management. CloudHSM provides hardware security modules that offers the highest level of security for your most sensitive data. It's perfect for organizations with strict compliance requirements or those who need full control over their encryption keys. CloudHSM is the most expensive option, with prices starting at around $1.45 per hour per HSM. But for industries like finance, healthcare, and government, where strict compliance, high-level encryption, and privacy are essential, it's worth the cost. One of the key benefits is that it allows you to manage encryption keys in a dedicated hardware environment, ensuring that even AWS does not have access to your keys, perfect for maintaining complete control and meeting regulatory requirements. Now let's talk about AWS Key Management Service, KMS for short. While not strictly a secret management service, KMS plays a crucial role in the AWS security ecosystem. KMS is focused on cryptographic keys. It creates and manages these keys which are used to encrypt your data. You might use KMS in conjunction with other services. For example, you could use KMS to encrypt the secrets stored in Parameter Store or Secrets Manager. Or you might use KMS to encrypt data stored in S3 or EBS volumes. KMS is like locksmith of AWS. It does not store your secrets, but it creates and manages the keys that keep those secrets secure. Consider a financial institution storing sensitive client data in S3. They use KMS to encrypt the bucket, giving them complete control over the encryption keys and helping them meet strict compliance requirements. Unlike default encryption, KMS offers key rotation, integration with CloudTrail for audit logging, and fine-grained access control. This is crucial for industries with highest security needs, like finance and government. For most use cases, though, the default encryption method provided by AWS should be okay. So, when do you use each of these services? Environment variables can be used for non-sensitive configuration in development environments. S3 can be set up for storing secrets, but it's not ideal. Parameter Store is great for configuration data and less sensitive secrets, especially if you are budget conscious. Secrets Manager is your go-to service for sensitive data that requires automatic rotation and tight integration with AWS services. CloudHSM is for organization with highest security and compliance needs, and KMS? Well, you will likely use it in combination with other services to manage your encryption keys. As we look to the future, secret management in the cloud is only going to become more critical. With the rest of microservices, serverless architectures, and edge computing, the number of secrets we need to manage is exploding. But with this range of tools, AWS is ensuring we have the right solution for every security need. In the end, there is no one-size-fits-all solution for secrets management in AWS. The best approach depends on your specific needs. For simple projects, Parameter Store might be just okay. For enterprise-level security, secrets management or CloudHSM could be your best bet. It's about finding the right balance between security, usability, and cost for your particular use case. So, the best solution is the one that fits your unique requirements like a glove, whether you are a startup or a Fortune 500 company. AWS has a tool to keep your digital secrets, well, secret.